Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to add a question to your Instagram story. Adding a question to your story is a great way to engage with your followers and get their feedback or opinions. Here are the steps. First, open Instagram and tap on Your Story in the top left corner. Choose the picture, video, or any media you want to post on your story. Next, tap on the stickers icon in the top right corner of the screen. It looks like a square smiley face with a folded corner. Scroll down to the question sticker and tap on it. You'll see a text box where you can type in your question. You can ask anything you want, but try to keep it short and simple. Once you've typed in your question, you can change its color by tapping on the colorful circle at the top of the question. Choose a color that matches your story or your aesthetic, and make sure the question is easy to read. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can easily add a question to your Instagram story. Once you've posted your story, your followers can tap on the question and respond directly. You'll be able to see all their responses in your story's viewer list. Adding a question to your story is a great way to get to know your followers and show them that you care about their opinions. It's also a fun way to add some interactivity to your story and keep your followers engaged. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and tips like this one. Thanks for watching.